Hello, in this video I'll show you how to free download Davinci Resolve, so let's go for it. First, open your favorite internet browser. Now search for Davinci Resolve download. Click on the first link of the list. Now scroll down the page and click here on Free Download Now. Please note that you should click here at the first square since Davinci Resolve Studio is the paid version of the software. Select your operational system and type some of your info as shown here. After that, click on Register and Download. Wait for the download to finish. Now I'm going to extract this file since it is a RAR file. I'll extract them to a folder that I want, but you also may leave this as it is in the default installation path. After the extraction is done, click twice in the application file, then Run. Wait for the extraction to complete. Click Yes, and open here the Davinci icon at the taskbar. Select which applications you'd like to install. I'll mark all of them and click on Install. At some point of the installation, the proper Davinci Resolve is going to be installed at your computer. Click Next, and then this box that you accept the terms, Next again. Once more, you can leave the installation path as default, but I'm going to customize mine here. After that, click on Next again, Install, and now Finish. Some final applications are going to be installed, and then when everything is done as shown here, just click OK. That's it, you install Davinci Resolve. It automatically appears at your desktop as an icon. Next time, just click twice on it and it will open. If you liked this video, chances are you will definitely like any of these options.